Tsubo Zone Activation is a holistic bodywork practice rooted in Japanese therapeutic traditions that focuses on stimulating specific pressure points along the body's natural energy pathways to restore balance and vitality. By applying mindful touch, gentle pressure, or rhythmic movement, practitioners awaken dormant sensory receptors and encourage smoother communication between muscles, nerves, and fascia. This activation helps release tension, improve circulation, and support the body's self-regulating abilities. Tsubo zones are often linked to organs, joints, and emotional states, making the technique effective for stress relief, pain management, and mental clarity. When integrated into warm-ups, recovery routines, or relaxation sessions, Tsubo zone activation enhances body awareness and deepens the mind-body connection. Regular practice promotes calmness, flexibility, and grounded energy, creating a subtle yet powerful sense of renewal and inner harmony that supports long-term physical and emotional well-being. It is especially valuable in immersive wellness sessions, therapeutic movement, and mindful fitness, where intention, breath, and presence amplify results naturally and safely together.